Love. I'm fine. I learned how to build me a wall, but I'm fine, and Lord, I'm okay. I'm the master of the quick smile, just to keep your questions all the day. I can sit in a crowded room, oh yes I can, and I can laugh right on cue, but ain't nobody knows what I'm waiting from you. 'Cause the truth is heavy, so heavy. It's a thing I can't explain. No. It's a language that nobody speaks. It's a quiet kind of pain. I wanna open up my mouth and let the whole thing out. But they say a lone tree falling doesn't make a sound. No sound. If there's nobody in the forest for miles and miles around. And that's just how I'm feeling. When you ask me how I've been, 'cause I'm crashing on the inside, but you can't see the state I'm in, making silent sound. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It ain't that you don't care, and Lord knows it ain't that I don't trust. No, it's just this thing I'm carrying is turning my soul to dust. And if I showed you all the wreckage, if I let you see the rot, would you even recognize me or the person that I'm now?
If faster, more death is ugly.
So ugly.
I can't explain,
oh.
It's a language I'm afraid of.
It's a quiet
kind
of pain. I wanna open up my mouth and just let it all fall out. But they say a lone tree falling doesn't make a sound.
No sound.
If there's nobody in the forest for miles and miles around. And that's just how I'm feeling. When you ask me how I've been, 'cause I'm crashing on the inside, but you can't see the state I'm making silent sound. I can feel the branches cracking, I can feel the roots give way. The timber is stuck right here in my throat. It's a word I just can't say. I can't say it's too loud. It's too much. So I just keep it down. They say a lone tree falling doesn't make a sound.
Oh no.
If there's nobody in the forest to hear it hit the ground.
Oh no.
Making silent sound.
Oh Lord.
A lone tree falling, can't nobody hear